Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. I bought the boat from Hampton, New Hampshire. I'm heading for deep sea fishing. Weather look good. Wish me good luck. To catch redfish, these sabiki rigs are very effective. Each rig has 6 hooks on the line. When fishing with sabiki rigs, you don't want to set up a hook when you first feel the bait. Wait for a few seconds, then give it plenty time to catch more fish.
See, that makes it hard to move, but it's only the... There's a haddock up there. We're drifting that way towards haddocks.
Look at that, 3. See what? 3. Not heavy.
That one's gonna be a touch small.
It's too small right there.
Yeah. This one is gonna be good.
It's good.
That one should.
Is this good? Oh, tango is very tough. That tango, I think. Ooh. That tango. Yeah. That's on one line. Yeah. That's tango.
不能真的摘成正常的，你摘正常的就算了。
Start.
You're gonna have to
Cut that off. Yeah. Oh, that's almost gone. That was a good one. Maybe I can get this saved.
Oh God, why can't I break this stupid thing? Water.
Oh,
I cannot break this thing.
That one's a little small, isn't it?
yeah. Take that off, yeah.
I cannot break it. I do have to. Break off on its own. You just have to.
Look at this. Some big one. Look at that. Pretty good?
I got it.
Okay. Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. During this fishing trip, we caught some of the Acadian redfish. One of the fun facts about the redfish is their ovoviviparous, meaning the female keep their egg inside their body until the larvae have hatched. Literally, these fish give birth to live babies. Today I'm trying to collect some eggs, maybe some larvae from these fish, and make some fried rice with it. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's collect the egg. The egg can be easily collected by massaging the belly. These eggs were hatching, but in early stage. As you can see, the black dots were their eyes. These eggs were more advanced. As you can see, the eyes were darker. The yellow dots were the egg yolk. These eggs were in egg sac. As you can see, they were in later stage of development. Thoroughly mix the fish egg with leftover rice. Chop some carrot and scallion. Add snow pea, carrot, and scallion to the wok. Add prepared rice and start stir fry. Add a teaspoon salt and chicken bone and keep stir fry. Add more scallion at this time and finish up the stir fry. This is the fish eggs fried rice I'm talking about. It is nutritious and easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.